Hi, everybody. Here's Pro Tip Tuesday coming at you on a Thursday because life. Okay, so if you don't know about ClickUp's great. I'm using it to do this screen recording. Super solid option for a ton of organization and cool little options for file sharing and working with teams. Okay, so first thing I wanted to show you was how to Google your site. So I'm going to type in site. And I've already got it here. McClearylawfirm.com is a customer that I've been working with for a while now. And so I'm going to show you how to see all of your metadata. So metadata is what Google pulls from your pages of your website. And that's how they come up with these titles and these little snippets of text, which are 160 characters right here. And all of these are pages on the McCleary Law Firm website. And all of these little snippets of text here are pulled by robots and written by robots. So usually they don't make sense. For example, here's careers, McCleary Law Firm. That's a fine title. Makes sense. Experienced paralegal. We are seeking a full-time paralegal for our main office located in downtown New Philadelphia, Ohio. Not exactly engaging, right? It doesn't make a ton of sense. Like the period there doesn't make a ton of sense. And it's not like, oh, yeah, I really want to click on that. Maybe this could say something like, at McCleary Law Firm, we believe in neighbors helping neighbors. If you would like to see more about the careers that we are offering, go ahead and click here. And then that would be more engaging. People would be more likely to click on it. And it doesn't sound like it was written by a robot, which is so great. For example, this one has been personalized. McCleary Law Firm is a general practice law firm serving New Philadelphia, Coshocton, Millersburg, Carrollton, Cadiz, and surrounding areas. Now, here's a little cool pro tip from an SEO standpoint. Putting in these locations means that when people search for New Philadelphia legal team or Coshocton law firm or Millersburg attorney, then this law firm is more likely to come up because Google's like, oh, hey, didn't they say they were a law firm that worked there? Wait, that sounds right. Let's send people to their page over somebody else's page that maybe doesn't have locations listed. So here's how we do that. We're going to go to our tools and our WordPress site. So I'm just in my WordPress dashboard here, and I've downloaded the Yoast plugin. That's that Y right there. Yoast is amazing. They do a ton of SEO work and make it really streamlined and simple to understand. So I went to my tools here. It's just going to take me back to that page. And then I went to the bulk editor. Now, I know there's a download for Shopify sites that do bulk editing. I'm sure that all the major websites have an SEO plugin, website building platforms, and I'm sure they all have a bulk editor, which basically means it shows you all of your pages on your website right here. See, it says page, and I just click published because I don't care about drafts or trashed pages. I'm not going to do metadata for those. Okay, and then there's publication date. Here's the slug, which is what shows up in the search bar right there. And then here is the title, and I customized all of these titles so that they show up really nicely and have location tags or things people might search. For example, 2022 paralegal scholarship, 2022 scholarship law school. I titled those particular pages that. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on description because now I'm editing the metadata. So that's going to edit that little blurb that comes after the title. So I wanted to show you a couple different options for different things. So like location pages, I did our tagline, our slogan here, because that is always a great way to start and reinforces your branding. Then I did the location tag. And then for this company, I did 3 different, let's call them products or types of cases that this law firm handles that someone might search. They might search family law, they might search estate planning, they might search personal injury. I could have done criminal law, but that's a little bit off-putting, so you don't want to lead with that one necessarily. And that works for any business. Let's say you sell jewelry. You could type in necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. If you sell clothes, you could type in dresses or spring, summer wardrobe. So any product you have, you want to put like your most Googled search terms in the blurb because that will help Google give your page more credibility. And then I always include a call to action. For this case, in this case, I did a free consultation call to action. Just makes it more welcoming, makes people want to click on your button more. But you could put something like see our new collection or check out our great New Year sales. Anything that might make people more likely to click on you. Okay, so that's one way you can do that. And then for our, let's see, here's a good example. For our staff, so a lot of times you have like an About Me page or an Our Team page. And for that, I just did another opportunity to reinforce our location tag. We're focusing on New Philadelphia, Ohio, and a couple of our major products because you don't need to write metadata about this person. Nobody needs to know about them other than if they really need to know about them, they can click on the website page. The metadata does not have to be about the specific page. You're basically just using it as an opportunity to reinforce your branding. Okay, so that's just a little blurb about metadata. And if you want any help editing yours or finding out how to do that or suggestions about a plugin to use or some tips on how to write title tags, any help you need, you can go ahead over to Walker Web Consultation at Facebook and I'd be happy to help you. Okay, happy interneting.